Meet the most advanced and intelligent ice maker on the market. This is the ecozy Smart Ice Lumix panel Nugget Ice Maker, and it's not just a normal ice maker. It's sleek, smart, tech-savvy companion designed to fit beautifully into your kitchen, home bar, or office. This is the industry first Smart Ice Lumix panel with a vibrant full color touchscreen. It's intuitive, elegant, and just plain satisfying to use. One tap and you're in control. No guesswork, no fuss, just pure convenience at your fingertips. But here's where it gets even smarter. The ecozy runs a TDS water quality check every time you fill the tank. Why? Because cleaner water means better ice, longer machine life, and less noise. Once you filled it up, you just let the magic happen, and soon you've got this, a full basket of chewable, crunchy ice. The kind that takes your drinks from basic to blissful, really. So whether you're mixing cocktails or sipping iced coffee, this ice elevates every sip. And the great thing is you don't even need to be at home to start it because it actually has a smart app that you can use to control it when you're not home. So that means you can get it all set up on your way home and have nice fresh ice ready to go. And get this, you don't actually need to be at home to control it. There's actually an app that you can download and it's available on iOS and Android that gives you complete control over the ice machine while you're not here. Once you have the app downloaded, you can add a device, and if you have your Bluetooth turned on and it's plugged in, and now it's connecting. And now we have complete control over the app. Okay, so now I've got that all set up, turned on, we've got the app connected. I'm gonna let it do its magic, come back in a couple of hours and check out all the ice, and we'll also do a test. When it comes to water quality, we use a measurement called TDS, Total Dissolved Solids, and that's gonna be testing the mineral salts and the metal content and any other dissolved substances in your water. So you want this to be under 200. So the ice maker does have a inbuilt TDS reader, so every time you add your water, check it, make sure it's under 200. And the best way to get under 200 is by using filtered water. Add filtered water into the ice maker. Not only will that give you the best quality ice, but will extend the lifespan of the machine. And this is what you want, under 200 ppm. That's how you get those perfect crystal clear nuggets of ice. So let's take this time to jump inside the app and check it all out. So we do have a few different controls we can work with this. We can set up a schedule. With this, you can set what time you'd like it to go on. It would be once. Daily, you can even select which days per week that you'd want this. So you can technically set this up to turn on every day as you're coming home from work automatically without you even thinking about it, and turning off again when you go to bed. And we do have a start time, so I can go 10 all the way up to 90 minutes. So we can select that and go confirm, and that means it will start producing the ice in that amount of time. So in that case, I just hit 30 minutes. It does give you your information like your water temperature, your TDS level. You can control the self-cleaning, and then you can just select start, and it will just start making the ice. The ice maker itself does come with a scoop, so it's really easy to scoop out the ice. And as you can see, filling up the water tank does create enough ice. I did give this a try. I drank it with some purified water from the fridge, and it was just so refreshing, so delicious. If you are interested in the ice maker from ecozy, we are going to leave a link in the description below. Let me know in the comments what your favorite feature was. Share this with a friend, hit that like button, and of course hit subscribe for more great reviews like this.